In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select two apps you wanna use in this view and launch both in the background. I will go with Chrome, so you have to tap on it and select Home button, and maybe Play Store. To access background apps, click on this button, in my case at the bottom left corner, and then decide which app you wanna use on the top half of your screen. Click on the icon of it, and tap on split screen in the pop-up. Then tap on the second app and enjoy using both at once. To go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe both in the background, or hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then to exit this one, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!